Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for all your support. I see the subscriber number count increasing. Every number matters. I'm truly grateful for that. So today is my first unboxing product review sort of video, so it's going to be a bit haphazard. I hope you stick through it, and yeah, so let's just get right into it. I've received my first purchase to improve my YouTube studio channel, and the reason I bought this is a lavalier mic. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's the one that you clip on, so you can use it for interviews, or even if you want to use it for your own channel, cooking, makeup, tutorials. It's very convenient because it's light. Just clip it on, and it probably has a long length of wire, which I'm hoping, so your camera doesn't have to be up close. And if you're vlogging and stuff, you don't need to carry such a big piece of mic around, with all the muffler and everything. So that's why I got the lavalier mic. And also if you were to watch a lot of the YouTubers, they always tell you one thing, and I also believe in that. Number one is this, number two is this, and then number three is that. So that is the reason. Now let's get straight into unpacking this. Okay, I got it from N4 camera store off of Shopee. I think it was 20 something ringgit. So the packaging is quite nice. Sayang, sila jangan dibaling, handle with love. So romantic message to the postman. Terima kasih sayang. Okay, if undelivered, please return back. Oh, it's from Penang. Okay, let's go. Well, I've only got my iPhone, which is doing the view from above, so if you can't really see what's going on, just open that. And the box is a bit smashed. Ta-da! BOYA. Lavalier microphone, micro cravat. Superb sound for presentations and video recording. Compatible with phone, iPad, and laptops as well. Product model by M1. Oh, this is a warranty card. Date of purchase 28th April. Okay, how long does it last? What is the problem? Okay, probably if I put it up close to my face you can see, but it's going to be a bit overexposed. That's the warranty card. Okay, we got a manual. I guess we'll read it later. Okay, so the existing mic that I use is actually also BOYA. I like the BOYA. The quality is not too bad. Of course, the best would be Rode mic, but that is of course when budget permits. And yeah, but if you do want a really superb quality, go for the Rode Mic Pro. It's really good. Okay, the casing is just like the one that I bought. Quality is not too bad. Gel. Okay, what do we have here? The clip-on piece. Oh, this is the clip-on piece. Alright. And then we've got the cover for the muffler. No, it's called something cat. It's to reduce all the noise going in. Battery, I'm wondering if this is pair or is this to fit it in. And then of course the jack. The jack. This, open. Okay, we clip this here, right? There we go. I hope it's in focus. If not, I gotta shoot this again. Alright, and then I'll put on the something cat. Alright, putting on the something cat. And we clip it on. There we go. Preferably from the inside, so the whole world doesn't know that you are using a mic. Okay, so I'm going to switch the audio to this boy, and let me switch it to this one right here. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, the battery is supposed to go inside here. I don't know what of this part you call it, but yeah. Put in the battery here. Oh crap. Battery is in. Hello, testing. Clipping it on. Okay, so welcome to the lavalier BOYA microphone. How do I sound? Do I sound good? Do I sound bad? Do I sound the same? I really don't know. I'm just testing it literally. So I'm going to be switching between the two audios to see which is better. Let's pick a phrase to say. So let's say today is Friday. Today was a great day. How was your day? Today was Friday. Today was a great day. How was your day? Which one was better? Now, just for the purpose of this video, because I'm not... Hello. Okay. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm not sure which one sounds better, so I'm going to stick to recording on this microphone, and then in the future I'll definitely be using this a lot. Alright guys, so that was the two audio that you heard. It was raw, and one was the large BOYA mic and one was the lavalier mic. I heard it on speakers and I couldn't really tell the difference. I think clarity, both are rather clear as long as it's very near to you. That's the basic concept of a good audio. And in terms of noise or bass, my fan is on, so I could definitely hear the on both sides. But I think it's pretty clear, and so it does the job. Ultimately, who is this for? Well, it's definitely for someone who thinks that the audio should be a lot more convenient for them, in the sense that if you are moving about, you're in a kitchen, you're in a workshop, you've got extra length here, it's a small piece to clip on, and yep, you could move about with this. And so easy to set up, nothing much. Just please put the batteries in and clip it on and you're good to go. Alright guys, so I want to emphasize that this is in no way a paid or sponsored promotion. I am not there yet. I have to be of substantial value before I get some sort of sponsorship. So it's just my humble request that I re-emphasize that you subscribe and like and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I do post videos like this. I hope this helped you, for you who are depending on growing your brand digitally, you making videos and stuff. Audio is important, please remember that. And so for some reason it turns off a lot of people more than it does, more than a bad footage does. So do look out for that, and that's the reason I got it. So happy rest of the week to you guys. Until then, bye bye.